a couple of properties back in 2017. Actually, it's more than a couple of properties. It was actually 4 properties. And I acquired the 4 properties because, as you can see right here on the screen, here's property number 1. And now that I'm learning how to really work this streaming service, it's pretty clear from where you're standing. This is just what it looks like from off the property appraiser's website. This is the property, the first property that I actually owned, which was 517 Tuscany Street. Now you can see my name is clearly there, and you can also see clear as day that the property appraiser information is there as well. So that's one of the properties. And let's get to the next one. And after 517 Tuscany, we'll go down to Bramfield, another property, clear as day. And as you can see, let's go here to this one, and you can actually see where I own this property also, clear as day. And I don't know why it keeps taking me up to page number 2. I don't really want to see page number 2, but as you can see, this is where the property appraiser had me listed as the owner as well. And by the way, if you were to go to the Hillsborough County property appraiser's website and tell them that what you want to see is the chain of title for this property, they would be obligated to send you that chain of title. So at any rate, there's the second property, and as you can see, I'm not making it up. Pretty simple and pretty self-explanatory. So now we have 2. We have 517 Tuscany, and we also have 12725 Bramfield. These are pretty nice properties, by the way, and you can go to Zillow. In fact, maybe we'll go ahead and do that as I continue through this video and look up the property. And we have 2534 Clareside Drive, which was another one of the properties that I ultimately ended up owning, and it's clear as day. This property was mine as well, and you can see the addresses inside of each one of these properties if you want to look at it, look for them yourself. The information was never hidden, and it's pretty straightforward. And then everybody's probably going to look at this and say, well, that just shows that you may have had your name on the properties at one time unturned as it relates to these properties. If for no other reason, I don't want to leave anybody confused. If you happen to have had a foreclosure between the years of, let's say, 2012 and probably 2018 or 19, which would have been 2018 is when I finished my criminal case, or they falsely charged me with perjury, or charged me with perjury falsely, I should say, and the case ended in my favor. You can get to another video some other time, and I'll give you a summarized detailing of that. So we have 517 Tuscany, we have 12725 Bramfield, we have 2534 Clareside Drive, and last but not least, what I call is my flagship property, the one that I was actually unceremoniously escorted from, which will be the one here on Spinnaker Cove Lane, which was the house is probably close to being worth $500,000 in value today. But all these properties, as you can see, I was listed as the property